Hello students, welcome back to English literature classes. Today our topic is Joseph Addison as an essayist. Okay, Joseph Addison एक निबंधकार के रूप में. Okay student, so without wasting much time we should start this video on this topic Joseph Addison as an essayist. Okay, Joseph Addison was a great English essayist. Joseph Addison जो है एक महान अंग्रेजी के निबंधकार थे. Poet and statesman. Poet and statesman. His work strongly influenced 18th century English taste and opinion. Okay. His contribution to the periodical, उनका जो contribution था periodical The Tattlers and the Spectator can never be forgotten. Okay. इनका जो कंट्रीब्यूशन है, जो योगदान है टैटलर्स न्यूज़पेपर में एंड द स्पेक्टेटर में, कैन नेवर बी फॉरगॉटन, उसे हम कभी भी नहीं भुला सकते. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो दीज आर द ऑल पॉइंट्स ऑफ एडिशन एज एन एसेस. नंबर 1 है पर्सनल लाइफ, सेकंड है कंटेम्प्रेरी सोसाइटी, थर्ड है रिफॉर्मेटिव एटीट्यूड, फोर्थ है नैरेटिव स्किल, फिफ्थ है ह्यूमर एंड लास्ट है कंक्लूजन. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल I will tell you about the personal life of Joseph Addison. Okay, तो फर्स्ट टॉपिक है हमारा पर्सनल लाइफ. एडिशन was born on May 1, 1672. जोसेफ एडिशन का जन्म 1 मई 1672 को इन मिल्सटोन में हुआ था. ओके, ही वॉज एजुकेटेड एट द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ ऑक्सफोर्ड. ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी में इनकी शिक्षा हुई थी, इन्होंने शिक्षा ग्रहण करी. हियर ही डिस्टिंग्विश्ड हिमसेल्फ एज ए क्लासिकल स्कॉलर. इन 1699 ही वॉज ग्रांटेड ए गवर्नमेंट पेंशन. ओके, उन्हें गवर्नमेंट पेंशन मिली 1699 में. ही यूज्ड टू ट्रेवल थ्रू यूरोप. उन्होंने यूरोप जाने की सोची, मतलब यूरोप की यात्रा करी. ही यूज्ड टू ट्रेवल, तो उन्होंने उसके द्वारा यूरोप की यात्रा को किया. ओके, इन 1704 अबाउट ए ईयर आफ्टर हिज रिटर्न टू इंग्लैंड, जैसे इंग्लैंड लौट कर आए, एडिशन वॉज कमीशन्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट टू राइट ए पोएम. गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से उन्हें कमीशन मिला एक कविता लिखने के लिए, सेलिब्रेटिंग द ब्रिटिश विक्ट्री. क्या सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए? ब्रिटिश विक्ट्री को. फ्रॉम 1708 से 1710 तक. ओके स्टूडेंट, एडिशन सर्व्ड इन पार्लियामेंट एज ए पिग. इन 1709 he became a contributor to the Tatler, a periodical founded by the essayist Sir Richard Steele. 2 years later, Steele and Addison founded another periodical, The Spectator. Addison wrote the finest of his many essays in The Spectator. Okay. सेकेंड पॉइंट है हमारा कंटेम्प्रेरी सोसाइटी. ओके, कंटेम्प्रेरी सोसाइटी, समकालीन समाज. Addison present his contemporary society in these essays. He shows how people of his time have grown indifferent to church. They don't attend sermons, prayers, and bosoms. The landlord have no interest in making the people regular in church. There is no harmony between the landlord and the person. How common people suffer in these circumstances is well exposed by Addison. in Saroja at church. Addition gives example of another village, okay, where the landlord has a dispute with the chaplain. The chaplain criticized the landlord's behavior. In return, the landlord has given up all religious activities. He does not visit church. It has an evil effect as on villagers. They too give up religious activities and don't pay ticket. The chaplain claims that he is more honorable than the landlord. Okay. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है आपका रिफॉर्मेटिव एटीट्यूड, सुधारक दृष्टिकोण. Edition's purpose behind writing of essay is reformative. The reformative attitude is exposed when he throw light on the importance of spelling Sunday in church. Sunday keeps the country people civilized and refined, and the weekly occurrence of this day maintains their civility and grooming. If there had been no Sunday, people would have remained uncivilized and savage, and those attributes which make person uncivilized would not have got the chance to develop. Okay. Sunday, being the day of physical and mental rest, enables the people to devote time to their physical appearance. They dress in their best dresses, looking neat, tidy, and spruce. They can also visit the church on this day where the parish priest preaches to them about their duties, and they all together join the divine service with the whole congregation. Okay. Now the next point है आपका narrative skill. Edition's narrative skill वर्णनात्मक कुशलता है. Edition's narrative skill is remarkable. He developed the character of Sarojal so nicely that Sarojal seems to be a real human being. To make the character lively, he infused sufficient humor in it. Okay. Now the next point is humor, hasya. To make character lively, the infuse sufficient humor in it. It is Addison's success that he points out positive effect of Saroja's singularities, Saroja's practical wisdom, and its great impact on villagers may be traced without difficulty. The villagers are not very civilized. Saroja's strange behavior has a good effect on them. Saroja had great authority on them. He keeps them in a good order. Nobody is allowed to sleep during sermons. Nobody may disturb others. All villagers are regular in church and the prayer. Saroja's singularities to make a positive effect on villagers when he lengthens out a verse of pronounces. I mean, 3 or 4 times villagers come to know that their landlord is attentive, and they too become interested in sermons, prayers, It is wrong to think that these singularities blemish his qualities. On the contrary, it imports them glory in excess. नेक्स्ट है आपका कंक्लूजन, उपसंहार. कंसिडरिंग एडिशंस narrative scale, so many scholars claim that he was a novelist at heart. स्कॉलर्स ये दावा करते हैं कि ही वॉज ए नॉवेलिस्ट एट हार्ट, कि वो दिल के उपन्यासकार थे. ओके, मतलब ऐसे उपन्यासकार थे जो दिल पर राज करते थे. हिज एसेस टू मे बी रीड लाइक ए नॉवेल विद सरोजर एज ए हीरो. उनके ऐसे इस तरह से पढ़े जाते थे, उनके जो नॉवेल्स होते थे वो इस तरह से पढ़े जाते थे विद सरोजर एज ए हीरो, कि सरोजर एक हीरो के रूप में है. His prose style has always been regarded as a model to young writers. Okay, students. So, Dr. Johnson's remark in his reference can never be ignored. Whoever wishes to attain an English style familiar but not coarse, and elegant but not ostentatious, must give days and night to the volume of additions. Okay, so this is the all descriptions of these points. Okay, so thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.